It is officially day 9 of 25 days of PodcastMAS. And today I want to speak on something that get on my goddamn nerves. When you express to your friend, your family, whoever, and you be like, I'm ready to meet my husband. Meech, where's my husband? I'm ready for my man. And that person say, you just gotta focus on yourself. And when you focus on yourself, when you love yourself, bitch, I love myself already. Where's my man at? I love myself already. I pour into myself already. I respect myself already. I know I'm fantastic. Now what? Now what? And I'm not saying that to say those people are wrong, but I'm saying that to say sometimes a person just needs you to listen. Sometimes a person just needs you to listen. And some people don't like listening to the same shit over and over. Because I know my one friend, she be like, bitch, what? Because I be like, Monday, I'm in a relationship. And I think he's the one. Wednesday, I don't know who that man is. All right. If you don't want to listen, just tell me you don't want to hear so I can call somebody else. But sometimes you just need to vent and you need a person to listen. Yes, I'm all for holding your friends accountable and not being yes women and all of that. But at the same time, sometimes let me vent. I'm ready for my man. I'm ready for my husband. That's what I said. That's what I meant. I could truly already pour into myself. I already love myself. So you telling me I need to do that is really telling me what? I'd rather you say, girl, you be in the wrong places. You don't be putting yourself in the right places. You're not talking to the right, you giving the wrong people the right time. You tell me something else. But I'm so tired of that. You need to love yourself. You need to pour into. I love myself already. Now I'm ready to love somebody else. Okay? I don't like that with a passion. I don't like it because I just feel like it's invalidating. Say, for instance, you're a person that's been working on yourself for years. Like, you've been working on yourself for years. You've been pouring into yourself for years. You've been doing your thing. And you just expressing to a friend or whoever, like, I'm just ready for a relationship. I'm ready. And they say, well, you just got to love yourself. And what have I been doing for the last 2 years? I've done that. I've done it. My cup is full. Where's my man? Like, sometimes people just need to listen. Sometimes a friend just needs you to shut up and listen. I have it bad. I'm one of those people where every time somebody tell me something, I tell them, like, oh, I remember I did that and that. I always, like, relate to it. I don't know. Maybe I know that's a bad thing because they be looking like, bitch, I didn't ask you. Okay, I'm like, oh, I did that, but I didn't ask you. So sometimes, and I'm learning this for myself, sometimes people really just need you to just listen. Just listen. Every time a friend come to you and she's venting, she's not always coming to you for advice. I know me and this one girl I used to be cool with, we used to say, like, we had to call each other, and I would say, do you want me to listen or do you want my opinion? Do you want my advice? And we would tell each other, okay, I need your advice, or I just listen to what I'm about to say. Like, just listen. Hear me out. So I just wanted to put that on y'all brain because it's a lot of people who feel like they don't have nobody they could talk to because they don't want advice. They just want to vent. And there's a lot of people who crash out on the internet because they don't want advice. They just want to vent. And I just feel like if we made friendships, relationships, or just whatever, if we made conversations more comfortable and allow people to be more vulnerable without always spewing out, oh, well, I would have did, I should have did, you would have did, you should have did. Sometimes you just need to be quiet and listen. Sometimes a person really just wants you to listen. We listen and we don't judge. Sometimes that's all they want. That's all it takes. And that's something I am also trying to work on for myself because I'm always quick to try to either solve a problem or say how I would do something. And it's like everybody not you. Everybody operate different. That's like your friend telling you she caught her boyfriend cheating. And you like, oh, I'm not dealing with no cheater. I would have left. I would have. And in her head, she's not even leaving. Is not even an option. She really just calling just to vent to her homegirl before she cracked this nigga upside the head. And you like, girl, I would have left. And now you done threw her all off. Now she's in her own head because she can't even tell you the rest of the story because you already telling her what you would have did, making her feel stupid for what she not doing. So that's all I want to get out today. Sometimes people just want you to listen. You don't always have to give an opinion. You don't always have to tell a person what they should do. Sometimes you just need to be a listening ear. Create a space for people to be more vulnerable. I feel like if we allow people to express themselves more without judging and without attacking and without spewing out, I would have did, people will be more open to talk about things more than to just react off of emotion. And the world would be a better place. Wouldn't the world be a better place if I can call you and be like, bitch, I'm about to crack this nigga head the fuck open. Listen. And you actually listen to what I say, and then I might ask you a question and you may answer it, and now we talking about it, and I actually start thinking like, you know what? I'm not gonna crack his head open, not this time. You just saved a life. Listen and don't judge.